Hey friends, welcome back to the Millennial Mommy channel where we celebrate the woman behind the mom. All things lifestyle, travel, fashion, self-care, and much more. Today I have something special for you, something that probably no other person thinks about except for mom because it lives in mom's brain. We are organizing and doing some spring cleaning. My daughter just turned 2. That means she's bigger, faster, stronger, taller. And so we are going through her sister's hand-me-downs and we're going to organize. I'm going to show you my process, how I take things out, how I pull for other families, how I pull for said daughter, and yeah, let's get into it. So you may be wondering what these bags are. So this is how I categorize. I take these suction bags that have these little zippers, these vacuum suction bags, and I label them. So now we are into size 3s. And I don't think there's any rhyme or reason. I may have been feeling very organizational that day and did shirts, pants, dresses, that type of thing, but I doubt it. So sometimes it's a lot of front work, but I feel like in the end, this really saves you from, like piles and piles of clothes just all over the place. I'm fortunate enough that my mom lets me use my grandmother's old closet to store these hand-me-downs. That way I don't have to have it in my house. And there are others that are very happy about that as well. Alright, I feel like. So these are my items that I'm keeping for like fall, winter. I did a really good job, I think, of filtering out the items that I was going to donate already. So I only pulled out a couple things that I didn't really want to keep. So now this can go back in the closet. And then lastly is just the pajama bag. Where's it? Okay, so this bag we'll put the ones that we want. Okay, so she doesn't need a whole heap of pajamas, just a few to get us through. I love when Kinsley, and this is so nostalgic. I can remember when I bought these things for Kinsley. I remember like what she was doing at that stage, you know what I mean? Like her little milestone. At this age, this was during the pandemic, so she has a lot of pajamas just because we were always home. I had found some new brands that I liked on Amazon. I remember during this time of being in the pandemic, of pajamas that I liked. And of course, we love Christmas, so lots of Christmas pajamas in here. These are all mostly wintertime, warmer pajamas, so we can package those back up. We'll slide this across 3 times for the seal. I think I probably did something wrong to it, so whatever. Alright, yep. See? Yeah, there we go. Alright, so we got pajamas, we got warm clothes. And then we're taking home 2 bags of clothes. Again, if I was really on my organization Zoom, I would do a bag of pants, a bag of dresses, a bag of sweaters, a bag of shirts, but I don't feel like all that. I don't feel like all that, you know what I'm saying? This is a lot to do for yourself, for the kids. And so this is the second weekend of this. So I'm just like, let's get the stuff home neatly and let's put it in the drawers. And whatever we're not going to use until summertime, let's tuck away. So that's my game plan. Once we get home, I'll show you guys what I do there and how I get everything into the drawers, the closet, and get ready and curb my spending. That is the big ticket here. That is if you don't take nothing else away, take that away. So I think we did pretty good. We are just going home with 2 of these bags. Again, these are the magic bags, the Instant Space Travel Large Carry-Ons. I label them with the size right here on the front. And then everything goes back into the closet that we're not using.